This information is current as of May 17th, 2021. Always double check this before you use it for a presentation. Teams is on a constant upgrade schedule, so always double check and make sure this is still current. Going to show you very briefly the three primary ways you can share information in a Teams meeting. I won't cover pros and cons because we've already talked about those in the workshop. Right now I'm in a Teams meeting with my good friend John Grisham. You can see I'm down on the bottom right with my video feed turned off. To share, click on the Share Content button. It opens up your tray. There are three primary ways to share. You can share your screen. This means everything on your computer is available and viewable on your screen for your audience. The second option is to share a window. This is limiting your audience to see just one window on your computer. Currently, I have 9 windows that I can choose to share from for my audience. To see those, I have to click here to expand, and now I can pick any of those 9 windows to share with my audience. I will not, though. I'm going to choose something called PowerPoint Live. The first thing you have to do is you have to open up that PowerPoint presentation. Either browse from your computer, from OneDrive, and you may have other storage locations as well. Once you do and open it once, it's available in your menu here. I'll open up one I already have, choose previously, and you can see a couple things that are very useful. The main thing is that it opens up your PowerPoint presentation within your Teams window. So everything is within one window. Very important that you turn off the little eyeball up here so that your audience cannot advance your slides. Only you can. You'll see 4 basic fundamental parts of this screen. One is the current slide. You can advance that by just clicking here. I'm on slide number 7 and now 8 here. You can see my PowerPoint notes, which are very useful here as well to read. You'll see a film strip down below that you can jump around to different parts of your presentation if you want. And very important, you can see that I can still see everybody in my audience. There's my video, which of course is muted, but I can see John looking very intently at my presentation. You can also open up chat and chat with your audience right here. You can see your participants, everything within one window. When you're done presenting, click on Stop Presenting. You get a warning, and you're right back into your Teams meeting. Now, if you want to go back, the nice thing is click here, choose the same presentation, and PowerPoint is smart enough to remember the last slide you were presenting with, and you can choose to resume from there or dismiss and start back on slide number 1. Just a couple caveats with PowerPoint Live. It is still not perfect. So certain transitions, certain animations will not work the way that you think they should work, and certain fonts won't work. So always double check, always open and go through your entire presentation and check it first to make sure everything works. Aside from that, it works quite well, and it might very well be the best way for you to share your presentation. But once again, 3 different ways. Share your entire screen, everything on your computer, windows from your computer, one at a time, or PowerPoint Live. And that is 3 ways to share information on your Microsoft Teams meeting.